This video demonstrates how organizers can access and utilize organizer tools within their train. It covers generating and managing invite links, as well as assigning co-organizers for enhanced collaboration. As an organizer, you have access to organizer tools within your train. These are available during your train creation as well as when your train is in progress. Here, you can generate invite links. This will generate a full invite link for your train. You can also use the invite code. This invite code can be used on the home page by participants to easily access your train. At any time, you can regenerate the invite link. This will invalidate the old link and create a new one, or you can revoke the link altogether. Another organizer tool is co-organizers for Pro and above accounts. This allows you to select another organizer in your friends list to co-organize the train with you. Search your friends list and add them as a co-organizer. This organizer can perform many of the actions in your train if you are not available. You also have field notes that are available for all your organizers. Just type a note and save for later. Learn to generate, regenerate, and revoke, invite links, manage co-organizers, and use field notes to streamline train organization and participant access. Create a free account today at www.raytrainexpress.com.